I mean, in improv.
Yeah,
really good. Good go. Oh. Yeah, go down. Yeah. Really good. Really good. Anyone see your hands down there? One. Close your eyes. 2, 3. Close your eyes. That's nice. Oh my God.
This feels like a real skydive.
It's a little bit difficult to let it go, right? Yeah. And your brain tells you there's a lot of things wrong while you're doing that, right? And that's something you encounter in many other situations as well. Other things like social situation. That's just, no, that's not natural. I have to approach this person, for example. And the more you do that, step by step, and with some other people, you can overcome that barrier in a relatively short amount of time. You're afraid of something, but very often you don't exactly know this thing. And even if you know that, you don't exactly know to what extent it is fear that is really real. So this fear setting exercise helps you to identify that, and also there will be some interesting outcome.